Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making air fryer tofu. Let's get right to it. To start, slice firm tofu into 8 pieces. Grease air fryer plate and place tofu slices. To make a sauce, add ground cumin, ground paprika, white sesame seeds, light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, sugar, and cooking oil. Stir fully and coat the tofu slices with sauce. Cook in air fryer at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. At the same time, mince the scallions. When the timer is up, flip side and coat sauce over. Also cook for 15 minutes. Finally, garnish with scallions and air fried tofu is ready. Please try the recipe and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching and see you until next time.